Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Hey, today we get to look at the COMET Quartz Chronograph watch. This is a 1940s vintage inspired timepiece. It is just a cool, classy looking dial in my opinion. Great looking watch overall. I love the yellow numerals and that blue dial in the background. It's just so vintage. I love it. This company has a lot of different color combos they offer. So I'm going to leave a link to their Kickstart in the description below. Please be sure to check them out. I'm also going to leave Aaron Dunlop of the OFD channel's link below. This watch came to me by him, so I want to thank Aaron for sending it to me so I can share with you guys. I'm going to jump right into this watch. It does have a 316L stainless steel case, polished and brushed. You can see that step-up polished bezel. Very well done. Very, very nice. It does have some polished pushers and a polished crown on the end with some nice knurling for gripping action. On the back, it does have a brushed screw-down case back with COMET Chronograph etched across the center and some information around the outer edge we're going to get into in a minute. This watch also has a K1 double dome crystal, which is very interesting. It has AR coating on the inside and a sapphire coating on the outside to protect you from those nasty scratches. Now, I have no experience with this kind of crystal. I've been reading about it and talking to some people in the watch world, and it is very effective to keep those scratches away. So that's really cool. And it's been around. Dan Henry and Undone also use this K1 double dome crystal. So that's very, very interesting. This dial, I'm going to throw a shot up of some combos that this company offers of this dial so that you can see there's a whole bunch of different color combos, and it is well worth checking out. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so we can see this dial close up. You can see the tachymeter around the outside of the dial. And the hands on this dial and definitely the sub-dial are heavily inspired by the 1940s Pierce chronograph. And I really, really do, like I said before, and I'm going to say it again, love this color combination. All the chronograph functions are definitely highlighted by the red hands. The 60-second running 60-second hand on the lower sub dial, you can see that running around there. And you can see the minute hand on the upper sub dial. That large running independent sweeping second hand, or the center stop second hand, if you will, is in red also. And you can see that sweeping around there looking so good. One thing that is very nice about this watch, it's running the Miyota Quartz movement, the 6S11. So it has that smooth sweeping retrieve of that chronograph second hand. We'll see if we can do that there. Oh yeah, that looks so good. We're going to do that again. Get a few seconds in here, stop it, and you can see that smooth retrieve. Absolutely love that for sure. While I have it zoomed in, we're going to talk about a part of the dial I haven't seen for a long time, and that's the telemeter dial right around the center dial inside the number area there. That allows you to measure the distance of an event that you can both see and hear. So that's really cool. Aaron used the analogy of a lightning bolt and the thunder. Very, very good. Their website also uses the analogy of a torpedo strike using the speed of sound. So very, very interesting there. I like that, and it was pretty cool used back in the 1940s. This watch is 50 meters water resistant, so you really don't have to worry about getting it wet. You can do pretty much what you want. Somebody throws you in the pool, you are covered for sure there. And the lume in this guy is on the hands. I'll throw a lume shot up for you. I wish the indexes were loomed with that, but that's fine. It's fine for this watch. Looks really good. Let's take a look at this strap. This is a top grain leather strap by Horwin, and they are top shelf for sure, right out of Chicago. And you can see a COMET chronograph stamped in the back there. And look at that. Quick release. Very nice for swapping straps out really fast. Top grain, leather stamped in the other side. Very, very comfortable. A pleasure to wear. Very high quality. Great stitching, great keepers, nice polished hardware. Absolutely awesome. I really do like these Horween straps. Hey, let's get into some specs. This watch does have a 41.5 millimeter case, 13 millimeter thickness, 48.5 millimeter lug to lug, and a 22 millimeter lug to lug this way or bandwidth. Let's get this on my 7-inch wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it. I think it looks really good on my 7-inch wrist. I love the style and the design of this watch. That Horween strap is just so comfortable and looks really good. I like it a lot. Hey, that's my short look at the COMET Quartz Chronograph. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I would appreciate it. And always stay well.